Hey guys, welcome back to Elmo family, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing it. So I just set up the new mic. So how do you guys think? Is the audio is good or bad? Let me know down in the description. And also, don't forget to leave a comment for what video do you guys wanna me to react. All right, let's get into the video.
Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil. We created an exoskeleton.
Wow. Okay.
Nice. Now hit the Cybertruck.
Hit the Cybertruck. It sounds solid.
Yeah. What else can we do with this truck? Let's shoot it.
Burn it.
That's a 9mm bullet shot at the door. So it's ultra hard, cold rolled stainless steel alloy that we've developed. We're going to be using the same alloy in the Starship rocket and in the Cybertruck.
Oh, okay.
Let's show the glass demo.
So they use the same material with
This
the
is regular
rockets
glass.
also?
This is like normal glass, car glass. We want to show you what happens with normal car glass. Now I'll show you Tesla armor glass. Yeah.
Wow,
So
impressive.
Franz, could you try to break
Thumbs
this
up.
glass, please? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Well, maybe that was a little too
He
hard.
warned you, are you sure? Oh wow, that is so embarrassing.
It didn't go through.
No,
So that's
no,
the
don't do
plus
it,
side.
don't do
Let's
it,
try that, right?
don't do
Try
it,
that on, really?
don't.
Okay. Sure.
Oh man,
It didn't go
I
through.
told you. At least it didn't go
Alright.
through, okay?
Not bad. Room for improvement.
Little room for
In addition,
improvement.
the car has an adaptive air suspension. The rear is 100 cubic feet, 6.5 foot length, bed length, up to 3,500 pounds of payload.
I mean, the truck itself looks cyber
So
enough.
let's see on-road performance. In terms of off-road performance, it's going to have the best angular approach angle,
Okay.
best clearance heights, best departure angle. For people that really going off-road, this is going to be great. You could basically do the Baja Rally in this thing. We have 3 ranges.
Okay.
So obviously it'll have access
Pretty
to all the
good, pretty good.
superchargers, be capable of more than 250 kilowatts. We'll reveal the actual number later. And it has onboard outlets for 110 and 220 volts. And as a little plus, because it's got an air suspension, we can tap off the air suspension, so you have a pneumatic source. So you have yeah.
I mean,
The onboard air compressor.
the look,
course it will
you
come
can,
with
you will be
autopilot
used
standard.
to the look, but
Yeah. But it's gonna.
wow. Actually,
So that's
Actually,
the
it's really
price
good
without
price.
any incentives. That's just like the price without any incentives. Yeah, so you can order now if you would like. All right, thank you. Oh, wait. We have,
wait, he's forgotten something?
we also made an ATV. So,
Wow. Wow. That's really good. It's actually the car lower at the back.
so the adaptive air suspension, you can drop real low, and you go high on the other side. We call this load mode. So you got load mode, you got a built-in ramp, So you can take a ATV
Or you can
or
actually
dirt bike, whatever
charge
you want,
while you're driving.
and load it on the back. Yes. Oh, and it's currently plugged in and charging.
Yep, I see
Alright.
that. I see
Thank
that.
Oh, I should say also, we're going to be offering rides in this all night.
That's about it. So what do you guys think about those Cybertrucks? Do you think it's worth it? In my opinions, for the price, I mean the look is kind of odd, but people will get used to it, you know. Whenever they see something new, they will just say, "Ah, it's so ugly" or whatever, you know. Then on they will get used to it. So yeah, that's my conclusion. If you haven't, subscribe and like leave down the comments for the new reaction video that you want me to do or anything. I'm down for all, you know. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.